Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Manisha. So today's video is going to be a little different because today I'm going to review a product. This is a BIOTIQUE Party Glow facial kit. So I'll be showing you a detailed demo and also मैं इसका review करने वाली हूँ. So this is priced at rupees 215 rupees और इसके 5 steps है. So I'll be sharing with you guys a review, then I'll show you the demo. So let's just jump into the video. So this kit comes in this cardboard package, and inside you will get 5 different containers. So it's quite nice containers, and you are getting 15 grams of product in each container. This is a Party Glow facial kit for instant glow, so you can definitely use it before going for a party. And this is absolutely Ayurvedic recipe, which is not really harmful for your skin. It contains 5 containers, which includes a papaya scrub, a clove pack, and a saffron massage gel, a Swiss Magic dark spot corrector, and also a saffron youth dew cream. So this facial kit priced at rupees 215. 3 years का shelf life आपको मिल जाएगा इसके ऊपर, and it's Ayurvedic medicine. It's written over here as you can see, and it's 100% Ayurvedic recipe. This facial kit is for 2 sessions, but you can definitely use it more than that क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया था इसको और उसके बाद भी बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट रह गया है. So yes, it's a very good buy. Moving on to the demo part, as you can see I have already cleaned my face. So the first step is papaya scrub. So I'm going to wet my face first because you shouldn't be applying a scrubber on your dry face, so you need to wet your face before doing any scrub because otherwise scrub can harm your skin. So yes, so I'm going to apply this scrubber on my wet face, and I'm going to massage it very gently so that it doesn't harm my skin. I'm going to massage the scrub for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. Scrubbing is a very important part for a facial because it helps to remove all the dead skin cells from our face. So it's very important step. As you can see, I have washed my scrub. So moving on to the next product, which is a saffron massage gel. So this is the consistency, as you can see. So I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to warm it up in my hand and I'm going to apply it. So I'm going to massage it into my skin, and one more thing, it just smells heavenly. It smells so nice. So yes, I'm going to massage it in my skin until it absorbs into my skin totally. So yes. I'm massaging it into my skin for 5 minutes until it get absorbed into my skin. As you can see, it has saffron in this gel, which helps to get a glow in your skin instantly, so it's very good for your skin as well. You can see the gel is totally absorbed into my skin and it's giving me a really nice glow. Now I'm going to wipe it off with my wet towel, and then I'm going to move on for the next step. Next step is a face pack. It's a clove face pack, and I'm going to use a generous amount of product on my face, and I'm going to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. This is the second time I'm using this product. As you can see, there is so much product left, so this facial kit is almost steel because you can use it for more than 2 sessions, which is a very good thing. Now as you can see, my face pack is all dried up and I washed it off. And yes, and for the next step I'm going to use a Swiss Magic dark spot corrector only where I have dark spots. It helps to remove pigmentation or any kind of dark spot you have on your skin, so you can definitely use it every day even if you are not doing any kind of facial. I'm done using the spot corrector. Now moving on to the next step is the Youth Dew cream. So I'm going to use it all over my face and I'm going to massage it till it absorbs into my skin properly, and it has a really nice smell. And also you can use this cream every day because it's a saffron Youth Dew cream. It's meant to make your skin glowy, so yes, you can use it for every day as well, even if you are not doing any kind of facial. I'm done with the facial and you can see the results. I'll definitely recommend this product because it gives my skin a really nice glow. I don't know you can see or not, but I can definitely see a huge difference between like when I started off the facial and now when I finished it off. So it's a big thumbs up from my side. So that's all for today's video. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye, take care.